When it comes to transporting your Aventon Aventure bike safely and conveniently, the choice of a bike rack can make all the difference. In this video, I have listed top 5 best bike rack for your Aventon Aventure in the top market, and it is crucial for ensuring hassle-free travel adventures. Whether you're an avid cyclist, a weekend warrior, or simply someone who enjoys exploring new places on 2 wheels, having the right bike rack can transform your biking experience. From roof-mounted options that keep your Aventon Aventure secure above your vehicle to hitch-mounted racks for easy loading and unloading, finding the perfect bike rack tailored to your needs is essential. Checkout link is in description. Join us as we explore the top choices, highlighting their features and benefits to help you make an informed decision for your Aventon Aventure bike transport needs. Number 1. Ibra. Bike rack for Aventon Aventure. The Ibra bike rack is an excellent choice for Aventon Aventure enthusiasts seeking a dependable and user-friendly bike transportation solution. Designed with precision and durability in mind, this rack provides a secure and stable platform for your Aventon Aventure, ensuring it stays in prime condition during transport. Its innovative design accommodates various bike sizes and styles, and its quick-release system allows for easy loading and unloading. With adjustable straps and a solid build, the Ibra bike rack offers peace of mind on the road. Checkout link is in description, making it an ideal companion for those seeking a reliable and convenient means to transport their Aventon Aventure bike on their outdoor adventures. Number 2. Aerolaner. Bike rack for Aventon Aventure. The Aerolaner bicycle rack is a top-notch choice for Aventon Aventure owners seeking a premium bike transport solution. Crafted with precision engineering and rugged durability, this rack offers exceptional stability and security for your Aventon Aventure during transit. Its versatile design accommodates various bike sizes and styles, and it boasts user-friendly features like quick-release mechanisms for effortless loading and unloading. With adjustable straps and a robust construction, checkout link is in description. The Aerolaner bicycle rack guarantees peace of mind on the road, making it the perfect companion for those in pursuit of a dependable and hassle-free means to transport their Aventon Aventure bike during their outdoor escapades. Number 3. Rock Bros. Bike rack for Aventon Aventure. The Rock Bros bike rack stands out as a fantastic choice for Aventon Aventure owners seeking a reliable and versatile bike transportation solution. With a focus on both functionality and security, this rack offers a stable and dependable platform for your Aventon Aventure, ensuring it remains safe during your travels. Its adaptable design accommodates various bike sizes and styles, while its user-friendly features, such as quick-release mechanisms, simplify the loading and unloading process. Equipped with adjustable straps and robust construction, checkout link is in description. The Rock Bros bike rack delivers peace of mind on the road, making it an ideal companion for anyone in search of a trustworthy and efficient means to transport their Aventon Aventure bike on outdoor adventures. Number 4. Hyperx adapter. Bike rack for Aventon Aventure. The Hyperx adapter is a game-changer for Aventon Aventure owners looking to enhance their bike transportation options. This innovative adapter allows you to seamlessly integrate your Aventon Aventure with a wide range of bike racks and carriers, offering incredible versatility and flexibility. Its precision-engineered design ensures a secure and stable connection, eliminating any worries about bike safety during transit. With the Hyperx adapter, you can confidently use hitch-mounted, roof-mounted, or trunk-mounted bike racks, expanding your biking horizons and enabling you to explore new terrains with ease. Checkout link is in description. This accessory is a must-have for Aventon Aventure enthusiasts seeking a convenient and adaptable solution for transporting their beloved bike. Number 5. KAC. Bike rack for Aventon Aventure. The KAC bike rack is a standout choice for Aventon Aventure owners seeking a high-quality and dependable bike transport solution. Crafted with precision and durability in mind, this rack provides a secure and stable platform for your Aventon Aventure during transportation. Its versatile design accommodates various bike sizes and styles, making it suitable for a wide range of cyclists. With user-friendly features like a quick-release system for effortless loading and unloading, the KAC bike rack offers convenience and peace of mind on the road. Checkout link is in description. Its robust construction and reliable performance make it an excellent companion for those who want a trustworthy means to transport their Aventon Aventure bike during outdoor adventures. Selecting the best bike rack for your Aventon Aventure is essential to ensure a seamless and worry-free biking experience. Whether you opt for the versatile and dependable KAC bike rack, the innovative Hyperx adapter, the rugged Aerolaner bicycle rack, or the user-friendly Rockbros bike rack, each choice has its unique features and benefits. The Ibra bike rack, with its precision design and ease of use, is also a strong contender. Checkout link is in description. Ultimately, the best bike rack for your Aventon Aventure will depend on your specific needs, preferences, and budget. Regardless of your choice, investing in a quality bike rack enhances your outdoor adventures by providing a safe and efficient means of transporting your beloved Aventon Aventure bike. Thank you for watching this video before buying the rack. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more information about the bike rack and any query in your mind. Please do comment. I will quickly solve your query. Thank you.